Number 1. 1995 GMC 1500, price $4,750. It has 130,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It sports a green exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, this truck has been upgraded with a BM shift kit, giving it an extra punch on the road. It has a brand new ECM, alternator, and battery, ensuring reliable performance. The interior is in excellent condition, with only a small tear on the driver's seat and a minor crack in the dashboard. The radial tires are fairly new and have plenty of tread left. Mechanically, the truck is sound, though it could use some touch-up work on the body. A perfect choice for anyone who loves the 90s, this GMC 1500 not only has classic appeal but also delivers a strong and responsive drive. Number 2. 1980 Ford F150, price $8,000. It has been upgraded with a 6.9 IDI diesel engine and a C6 automatic transmission, ensuring strong performance. The exterior, finished in blue, features brand new 32-inch tires on 16-inch aluminum 8-bolt wheels, a 4-inch exhaust, and an injection pump that has been turned up for extra power. Several new components have been installed, including glow plugs, dual batteries, a 3G alternator swap, a starter, a water pump, and upgraded battery cables. Inside, the truck is equipped with modern features such as a Bluetooth CD player, a 10-inch subwoofer in a custom box, and a Rockford Fosgate amplifier. Everything functions properly, including the heater, windows, and brand new wipers. For improved visibility, it has halo projector LED headlights. Number 3. 1969 Ford F250, price $9,500. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a great choice for those who appreciate classic American pickups. The truck has been upgraded with a brand new seat and rear bumper, adding to both its comfort and aesthetic appeal. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 390 engine, delivering robust performance that enthusiasts will appreciate. Complementing this powerhouse is a newly installed dual exhaust system, which not only enhances performance but also produces an aggressive, deep rumble that perfectly matches the truck's bold character. Equipped with a manual transmission featuring a 4-on-the-floor setup, this F250 embodies the essence of a true driver's truck, rugged, engaging, and built for those who enjoy a hands-on driving experience. Number 4. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It has 207,000 miles on the odometer but features a motor with only around 32,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a fully functional plow that was installed 3 years ago and has only been used for personal driveways, never for commercial purposes. It has an excellent frame with minimal rust. The plow received new springs and a fluid service a few months ago. Recent work includes a new gas tank, fuel pump, and filler neck, as well as a brand new front driver's side axle. An oil change and transmission service were completed in December 2024. However, the truck does need a new windshield. Despite its age, it runs strong and remains in good condition. The exterior is finished in green, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. Number 5. 1964 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. It has traveled 89,000 miles and is powered by a professionally overhauled 230 Ci straight-six engine with 30,000 miles since the rebuild. The truck features a 4-speed manual transmission with a floor shifter, ensuring a classic driving experience. Its exterior is finished in a custom gray paint job completed 6 years ago, with no hidden rust, and is complemented by aftermarket chrome bumpers and a grille. The interior is also gray, featuring aftermarket seat covers and carpet for a refreshed look. Additionally, this C10 is equipped with a vintage 1950s all-steel insulated camper shell with roll-out windows, making it perfect for overnight trips, whether at a favorite fishing spot or on the road. The truck runs great and maintains its classic charm while offering modern reliability. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet C30, price $5,500. This is a reliable and strong running truck with 98,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it features a powerful 454 V8 engine and is designed as a long bed, 8-lug camper special. The exterior is finished in brown, complemented by a tan interior. This truck drives well and includes air shocks, aftermarket seats, a new ignition system, new plugs and wires, and a newer carpet kit. While it remains in great mechanical condition, it does have a few minor imperfections, such as a cracked dashboard and some dings and dents. No trades will be considered. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, with 50,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 454 motor. It features a gray exterior, a brown interior, and modern upgrades, including brand new Toyo Prox tires and a JBL Bluetooth sound system. Performance enhancements include a Holley Sniper and Hyperspark system, an RV cam, and a 25-gallon fuel cell. The bed has been lined for durability, and the suspension has been fully replaced with a new lowering system for improved stance and handling. Additional upgrades include dual electric fans with a switch panel, a recently rebuilt rear end with a new carrier, pinion, and bearings, and locker nuts on all rocker arms. Inside, the truck has new carpeting and sound-dampened interiors for a quieter ride. While it runs and drives, the engine needs some fine-tuning to run smoothly. Number 8. 1970 Ford F100, price $10,000. It has 100,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 360 V8 engine with a C6 automatic transmission in a 2WD setup. Recent upgrades include brand new tires, spark plugs, and wires, along with Edelbrock valve covers, an Edelbrock air filter, a new battery, and a modern touchscreen Bluetooth radio. The truck also features nice rims, new brakes, a fresh oil change, a new transmission dipstick and gaskets, a new speedometer cable, and updated taillights with new wiring. While mechanically sound, the truck has some areas that need attention. The fenders have rust, the wood bed requires repair or replacement, and the bench seat needs reupholstering. Although the tires are new, they will need to be replaced again in the near future. There is also a possible rear main seal leak, and the speedometer is currently not working. Number 9. 1983 GMC 2500, price $9,500, equipped with the factory 6.2L diesel engine and an automatic transmission. Its striking blue exterior adds to its classic appeal, while the odometer shows just 33,000 miles, reflecting its well-preserved condition. This truck runs and drives exceptionally well, delivering a smooth and reliable performance. Both the body and interior are in outstanding shape, showing minimal signs of wear. Every component functions as it should, a testament to the meticulous care it has received over the years. With its combination of durability, power, and classic styling, the Sierra Classic Camper Special is a true gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 10. 1994 Ford F350, price $5,500, powerful and loud truck with a 7.5L 460 engine. It has traveled 176,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is painted white, while the interior is finished in gray. This lifted truck sits on 35-inch tires with 20-inch wheels and is equipped with a straight-pipe Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust, giving it an aggressive sound. Recent upgrades include new brakes, new tires, and a new battery, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, the truck comes with an extra set of 4 tires and wheels. However, there are a few minor issues. A small leak on the top of the windshield and the driver's side window, and alignment is needed, and the rear fuel tank is not currently hooked up.